Thank you for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. I'm Joe, and today we're going to be doing a review on a new motorhome. So stay tuned, folks. Here it comes. Welcome back to Joe's Random Reviews. Thank you for joining me today, folks. We're taking an exclusive look at one of the most impressive adventure vans I have featured on this channel, the all-new Drifter Show Camper Van RV. If you've been searching for the ultimate camper van, off-road van conversion, or just the perfect overland vehicle, you're definitely going to want to watch this entire video. This camper van is a rugged off-road vehicle. It's got premium craftsmanship all the way through. It's modern and a fully functioning living space designed for serious travelers and any weekend adventurers. So let's jump right in, guys, and let's see what this awesome RV has to offer. Starting with the outside, the Drifter Show Van RV immediately stands out. It's really impressive and it looks super cool. This vehicle is sitting on a Ford Transit platform, and it comes equipped with all the upgraded suspension components that gives it a serious improvement to the ground clearance and to better off-road capability and performance. It rides amazing. One of the first things you'll notice is the heavy-duty bumper. Now this bumper is awesome and is designed to handle rough terrain. This bumper definitely gives you all the protection you need when you're traveling down the road. To add to that nice rugged look, they've got a side ladder. This ladder goes up to an absolutely fantastic storage area on top of the roof. All kinds of camping and survival gear can go up here. It's perfect for freeing up space on the inside. And I love the fact they took some time to put on some real good rubber, the BF Goodrich All-Terrain KO3 tires, and they provide some excellent traction. I can say firsthand that these tires are absolutely awesome. It's really great that this bumper has an integrated winch. If you're in a hairy situation and you need a winch, this is all ready to go for you. It's definitely a peace of mind and it's great to have. If you guys are getting some value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It's totally free. And the next thing we're going to be looking at is this automatic awning. This is fantastic to have no matter where you are or what kind of RV you have. This is great because it protects you from the elements and you can still be outside and enjoy the outdoors. And I love the LED lights. What really stands out is this mountainous custom wrap with the green color kind of fades into itself and it looks really, really nice. Now let's talk about a really cool feature. I really like the fact that this unit has an onboard air compressor port. You can use it for many different things and it's handy to have. This camper van comes equipped with the enhanced spring setup, which helps to improve safety and the ride quality, which is a real bonus. Now the next thing I'll be talking about is this very unique pop-out window flare setup. When you're inside, you can push and pop these windows out, which gives you the impression of so much more space. I really thought this was a genius idea, especially with a camperized van. As we move on, you can see that it's got an outlet for the city water, the winterizing port, and a gravity fill. The mobile solar panel port is close by. The Starlink port and the shore power port are close together for easy access. Looking up and above the windshield is a nice large light bar. So if you're off-road and you need extra light, you've got it here, folks. It's already set up here for you. And on top of that, it's equipped with floodlights on the very back of this RV. If you're unloading during the night, you've got this fantastic lighting to guide you. So before we go inside, we're looking at this walkable roof rack on the very top. And it's definitely strong enough to put all kinds of weight up there. To make things even easier, this RV has slide-out garage trays, which are really handy for loading and unloading. Looking at a couple more things on the roof, we've got the pneumatic 48-volt air conditioner, which is a really nice size for this RV. This camper van is also equipped with the Air Plus rooftop fan, which is really nice and handy. And as a bonus, this RV comes with waterproof storage bags for extra storage. You'll get to see anything you want on television because your Starlink antenna is also included with this RV. And for connectivity, you've got the 5G antenna that's also installed and ready to go. This is something I've never seen before, the walkable solar panels. It's something that's so sturdy and so strong, you're able to walk around on them. And for those that like to sit up high and look at the view, this inflatable lounge is also included. And to keep those pesky bugs out of your RV, the magnetic bug screens and awning is set up for both entry areas. Now let's step inside. The cockpit has custom seat covers, which are really nice. As we move back, we can see a sink and a flip-up table that would extend for the counter space. Looking at the other side of the sink, there is actually quite a bit of space on the inside portion of this countertop. The one-piece counter and sink is really a nice bonus because it's super easy to clean. It's not hard to see the beautiful finishes that creates a warm and inviting atmosphere in this RV. Custom things like the tri-fold doors, a custom shower door that leads to a fully equipped bathroom are only a couple of things you'll get to see that really shine in this RV. So let's check out this bathroom and see what it has to offer. Immediately you can see the nice infinity shower system. It's got really nice finishes, the nice spray head and the shelf, which has enough space to store your shampoo, conditioner and your soap. This wet-dry bathroom also includes an auto bagging system. Now, this RV also is equipped with an easy setup, adjustable flip-up countertop. Moving towards the rear, we find a full sleeping area, which I found super inviting. Big, full-size, spacious bed definitely provided enough room for comfortable sleep. So much space. With the fact that this bed was electric, was a game changer. You take a ride on this thing and I tell you, it's an absolute perfect place to relax before you go to sleep. I would say this is definitely a selling feature. And of course it's set up with the mounted speaker and iPod, and it's got more shelving on the top and lots of space to put your personal items. So without a doubt, I give this setup a double thumbs up. Moving along, with this RV comes equipped with a full kitchen. There's a microwave up top in behind one of the cupboards. It's also got a hidden toe kick drawer, which is really nice for putting different things along the bottom. And I really like this quick and easy accessible retractable table. And for those states and countries that have legal gun laws, there's a gun safe. And for those that don't need a gun safe, this area could be set up with different storage. Looking back at the kitchen area, there's a custom backsplash and a space you can hang all your utilities. And to complete your kitchen, this is your fridge and freezer. Overall, I think the Drifter campervan delivers an impressive combination of luxury, capability, and adventure-ready performance. From the upgraded suspension and the rugged exterior look, this RV van is clearly designed for those who like to explore beyond the pavement. So head down to the comments area and let me know what you think of this RV. Thank you again for joining me on Joe's Random Reviews. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Let me know what you think of this motorhome in the comments below. Would you choose it? Is it something that you would consider? If you've got some value from this video, please give the video a thumbs up and take the time to subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified when the next video comes in. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.